Hi class! Welcome back to our channel. This video is just a continuation ng ating previous video about the parabola. So write the equation of the parabola with vertex at the origin 0, 0 that satisfies the given conditions. So draw the parabola, its focus, and directrix. So let's have example letter A. The focus has coordinates 5, 0. So, sa mga gantong problem, guys, ang una nyong gagawin is kailangan ma-identify nyo ba kung ano yung equation na gagamitin nyo. Di ba may dalawa tayong pinagpipilian? Isang y square equals 4px. Then, yung isa naman is x square equals 4py. So, kung mapapansin nyo, yung focus natin is merong 5, 0. Then, yung p natin is nakalagay doon sa ating x-ordinate. So, therefore, nakapattern tayo doon sa equation na y square equals 4px. Kasi kay x square equals 4py, yung p natin dyan is nandun sa y-ordinate. Nakuha ba yung difference, guys? So, tuloy na natin. So, meaning, ito yung ating standard equation or formula. So, dito, yung 5 natin na given sa focus, yan yung value ng ating P. So, pwede na kagad nating makuha yung equation ng ating parabola. So, substitute lang natin yung 5 dun sa ating formula. So, that is y square equals 4 times p, which is 5, then x. So, ang standard equation natin is y square equals 20x. Okay? So, next is, kukunin naman natin yung ating opening ng parabola. So, ang value ng p natin is 5, which is greater than 0. So, therefore, the opening of the parabola is to the right. Next is the latus rectum. If the parabola opens to the right, ang value ng latus rectum natin is equal to p, plus minus 2p. Okay, so substitute lang natin yung value ng p natin dyan. So, ang latus rectum natin ay p, which is 5. Then, 2 times 5, we have 10. And 5. Then, negative 2 times 5, we have negative 10. Okay? So, next is yung ating directrix. So, if the parabola opens to the right, our directrix is equal to x equals negative p. So, that is x equals negative 5. Nakuha, guys? So, after natin ma-identify yung different parts ng ating parabola, pwede na natin ngayon yan i-sketch doon sa ating Cartesian plane. So, una, syempre, yung ating vertex na nasa origin, followed by the focus, which is given. We have 5, 0. Then, yung ating latus rectum na makikita kay 5, 10, which is nandito sa may bandang taas. And 5, negative 10, dito sa may bandang baba. Last is yung ating directrix, which is x equals negative 5. So, nasa left side yan ng ating vertex. Then, meron niyang graph na vertical line. Okay? So, the parabola never touched the directrix. So, ibig sabihin, yung parabola natin is going to the right. So, dadaan yan, guys, pag nag-graph tayo, dadaan yan doon sa ating latus rectum. So, ito na ngayon yung sketch ng ating parabola. Okay? So, next, let's have example letter B. The equation of the directrix is x minus 3 equals 0. So, this time, ang given is yung ating directrix na may formula na x minus 3 equals 0. So, ang directrix natin is x equals 3. Nakuha? So, again, ang una nating gagawin is ma-identify kung ano bang formula yung ating gagamitin sa pagkuha ng equation ng ating parabola. Since yung directrix natin is merong equation na x equals 3, so naka-pattern yan guys doon sa ating standard formula na y squared equals 4px. Nakuha? Kung yung ating directrix ay may equation na y equals to any number, ang gagamitin natin is yung isang standard formula na x squared equals 4py. But since x yung ating given as directrix, so ang gagamitin natin is itong standard formula na to. Okay? So next is identify natin yung value ni p. So, sa formula na to, ang directrix natin is equal to negative p. So, ibig sabihin, pwede nating i-equate si negative p doon sa ating 3. So, negative p equals 3. Then, solving for p, so divide natin both sides of the equation by negative 1. So, ang p natin is equal to negative 3. Nakuha guys? So, since negative 3 yung ating p and that is less than 0, so ang opening ng ating parabola ngayon is opens to the left. Okay? So, may value na tayo ng p. So, pwede na nating makuha yung ating standard form of equation ng parabola. So, substitute natin si negative 3 dun kay sa p natin dito sa formula. So, that is 4 times negative 3 then x. So, ang ating equation is y squared equals negative 12x. Okay, guys? So, next is, pwede na natin ngayon makuha yung ating focus na mayroong formula na P0. So, ang P natin dito is equal to negative 3. So, we have negative 3, 0. Okay? So, next is the latus rectum. So, ang latus rectum natin dito guys ay may formula na P, plus minus 2P. So, ang P natin dito is equal to negative 3. So, we have negative 3, then 2 times negative 3, that is negative 6. And yung P natin is negative 3 times, negative 3, negative 2 times negative 3, we have positive 6. Okay? Then lastly, our, may directrix na pala tayo. So, which is given. So, pwede na tayong mag-sketch ng parabola. So, first is yung ating vertex. Again, nasa origin yung ating vertex. Followed by the focus na makikita kay negative 3, 0. So, nasa left side siya ng ating vertex. Next is the latus rectum. We have negative 3, negative 6. And negative 3, positive 6. Next is yung ating directrix which is x equals 3, yung given natin. So, nandito yan. Then, that is vertical line. Okay? So, pag mag-i-sketch ulit tayo ng parabola, make sure na dadaan yung sketch natin dun sa latus rectum from the vertex. Okay? So, sketch tayo. Ayan. So, ito na ngayon yung ating parabola. So, next, let's have example letter C. The length of the latus rectum is 8 and the parabola opens upward. So, ang key term natin dito is yung the parabola opens upward. So, meaning, ang standard form or formula na gagamitin natin is yung x square equals 4py. Okay, guys? So, next is yung length ng ating latus rectum, which is 8. So, alam naman natin na either the formula, ang length ng ating latus rectum is equal to 4p. Okay? So, kung ang formula natin dito is 4p and yung given natin is yung the length of the latus rectum is 8, so pwede natin yan i-equate doon. So, we have 4p equals 8. Ako ba, guys? Then, to solve for p, divide both sides of the equation by 4. So, ang p natin equals 2. Okay? So, since yung parabola natin is opens upward, so therefore, yung p natin is greater than 0. So, tama. No? Since 2 yung na-solve natin, so 2 is greater than 0. So, after natin makuha si p, pwede na natin isolve yung ating equation. So, we have x squared equals 4py, which is 4 times 2, then y. So, ang equation ng ating parabola is equal to x squared equals 8y. Okay? So, using p, pwede natin makuha kaagad yung ating focus. So, ang focus natin dito is equivalent to 0, p. So, that is 0, 2. Okay, guys? So, next is yung ating latus rectum. So, ang formula ng latus rectum natin is positive, negative 2p, then p. So, we have positive 2 times p, which is 2, that is 4, p, so we have 2. And negative 2 times 2, we have negative 4. Then, yung p natin, which is positive 2. Okay? So, last is yung ating directrix. So, para makuha yung ating directrix, ang formula niyan is y equals negative p. So, ang p natin is positive 2. So, ang directrix natin is equal to negative 2. Okay, so after natin ma-identify yung ating mga parts ng parabola, try na natin i-sketch. So, again, una is yung ating vertex na makikita sa ating origin. Followed by the focus, which is 0, 2. So, 0, 2. So, nasa may bandang taas yan ng ating vertex. Okay, followed by the latus rectum, which is 4, 2. And negative 4, 2. So, next is yung ating directrix, which is y equals negative 2. So, may directrix tayong horizontal. Okay? So, again, pag mag-i-sketch tayo ng parabola, make sure na dadaan yan dun sa ating latus rectum. So, our parabola opens upward. Ayan. So, nakuha ba guys? So, this is the end of our video. I hope may natutunan kayo. So, if you have questions or clarifications, kindly put them in the comment section below. So, thank you guys for watching. This is Prof D. I'll catch you on the flip side. Bye!